Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump in charts for Bitcoin. Bitcoin volume is still going up. I'm only watching the volume to make sure it keeps going up. That's my main priority at the moment. As soon as the volume drops off, that's when I know the top is in, like I knew in 2021. There's other signs, but that will be the main one that I'm looking for. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Follow my 23 years of investing experience and these 4 years of daily videos, which is almost the 4-year anniversary. My team will announce it soon. We'll give away prizes and gifts on this 4-year anniversary, which is beautiful. Every day making videos almost for 4 years, nearly daily. I don't think I've missed many days, which is beautiful. We're going to jump into charts for Bitcoin. I'm going to look at the overall market. BNB pumped like crazy. Congratulations, 280% off the bottom. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. And you can see it reset the chart, so I got to, but look at Binance go. Oops, Binance hitting $617. Look, wow, we were buying Binance. If you followed my videos, we were buying it at 264. I'll show you on Twitter where I was posting this. So that to there is already 218% move, which is beautiful. I took a screenshot of the market to show you what happened in the market yesterday. So because it resets, the 24 hours reset. Let me try and. So here we have the market. So 215% off the bottom for BNB, and you can see SMR was up 20% last night, BNB 15%, Solana up 8%, MCRT 6%, IOTA 5%. You can see every FXS 4%, Bitcoin 2%. It was a great day in the markets. Let's go back into Bitcoin. First thing I'm checking is the volume growing, and I'm looking where I want to look for the volume growing is I'm looking at Bitcoin perpetuals on Bybit. So that's the Bitcoin derivatives. And you can see on the monthly charts, volume growing like crazy. Look on the weekly charts, volume growing, still growing very strongly, and big green volume coming in. This is on derivatives. Now what I also look is at the Bitcoin market cap. So I look at the market cap of all crypto. So it's of all Bitcoin in general. So all Bitcoin market. And you can see the last 2 weeks of Bitcoin have had all-time high volume? Not all-time high volume was in 2021. You can see here 2021 all-time high volume, and that's how I knew the top was in November 2021, because Bitcoin pumped to new all-time highs, but the volume dropped off. We're not seeing that right now. Look at this, the volume is growing on Bitcoin. The volume is growing on the daily. The volume is growing. So in my opinion, but look, the squeeze mob just flipped from green to red. Interesting. Green to gray. See the green squeeze mob? So we've got to be careful. We could have a little bit of a correction here. Let's go closer onto the daily on Bitcoin derivatives. We're at the top of this channel. You can see Bitcoin at the top of this channel struggling to break through. But again, the volume is growing. So I don't think the top is in. Let's look at the weekly charts. Crypto Guru Bot blue buy fired on February 2023. Still blue buy, hasn't fired red sell. Bitcoin indicator bot fired the sell on the 48K after the ETF. It didn't fire a buy yet. So that indicator we can't really, we need to use all the indicators. It's not telling us. Volume still growing. We're hitting big area of resistance here at this 73K. Bitcoin made a new all-time high, but volume still growing. We're still in this channel, and I can see that this channel has tightened now. So we can see that the channel is moving from here, kind of. Channel is starting to tighten. But what that looks like, everyone, is a broadening rising wedge. Broadening rising wedge, 77K. Broadening rising wedge. Usually these, unfortunately, but this is on the 4-hourly, but short term we could have a bit of a pullback, but daily volume growing. So what we've seen with Bitcoin, these pullbacks aren't very great when the volume is growing like this. But again, rising broadening wedge means usually they do this. Rising broadening wedge is like this. Builds pressure, and then breaks down. Unfortunately, so we're kind of getting a little bit of a top formation here on Bitcoin, but again, volume growing. Where I would take a long on Bitcoin from major area of support, 70,300 would be a strong one. Actually, no, I would keep it the same trade that I had yesterday. It can easily nuke back to all-time high very easily and activate this trade because it's only $3,000 away. It's nothing when you're talking about Bitcoin being 70K. So this is the trade I would take on Bitcoin. Put the stop loss under the weekly. Risk to reward 246, opening at 69,170. Stop loss 68,993. Take profit 115. Risk to reward 246, risking $187 to make $46,000 per Bitcoin with no leverage. 10x leverage, $460,000. But we really need to get a breakout. This could be a warning here, but On the 4-hour just now we had a hammer candle, but this overall pattern is starting to form a rising wedge. So again, if this plays out, it'll be something like this, and then again. But I still think that third to fourth, that we're still in the third wave. I don't think the third wave has finished. You could say that third to fourth, that when we had that big dump was the corrective wave, but I don't think so. It was too quick. So right now, it's still rising. Target 88K and the longer term target 115K. So that's the trade I'll take on Bitcoin, 69K, which is beautiful. And if you want to trade like you see me do under the video, go down below. 1 is the exchanges that I use, Bybit $30,000 bonus. 2 is the courses. 3 is the Telegram. Over on Bybit, my account 916,000 USD in the last 7 days, up from 822,000. So in 7 days, I made almost 90 something thousand dollars. Last month, from 580 to 916. So I made like 300 or 400,000 dollars, which is beautiful. My Bitcoin funding fee on Bitcoin 0.04, not so high at the moment, which is good news. And Bitcoin USDT, my Bitcoin trade, $223,000 in the profits. Funding fee not so high for how much, and my 1,809%, 223,000, which is beautiful. So if you want to be part of the Bybit giveaway, make sure down below you sign up to Bybit. I'm going to give it away in the next video because I need the confirmation code. So I will make the $1,000 giveaway in the next video. If you have a Bybit account, you can join. I'm going to release a passcode in the next video, and inside that you put that passcode into Bybit, and you join the people that will get $1,000 divided by all the people that KX trade $41,000 from 10K to 41,000, which is beautiful. And over on Twitter, I posted some stuff. Let's see what we got. 85,300 followers. 5 inputs into the body: air, water, sun, information, food. All disease and sickness is a result of these inputs not being clean. All medicine tries to fix the symptoms of the unclean. Read this tweet. It's very important about health, and in my opinion, what my thoughts on health. BNB up 215% off the bottom. Look at the volume on BNB. Who knows something? This is what I tweeted on 26th of the 12th, 2023, when BNB was 289. We were buying it at literally the bottom, but that was just a tweet to show you we're up 215% off the bottom. Do not ban TikTok. This is ridiculous. Read this post by Grant Cardone. If you care about freedom and you're American, read this post. Amazing. Check out this. You can look at this Vision Pro. Look at that. Amazing. He's editing it on Blender, and then it's showing live in Vision Pro. We're going to start, Magicraft is also starting to develop in Vision Pro as well for VR. Your digestion power works with the sun. Read this tweet, it's important. Neo, I looked at. Bullish pennant on Bitcoin. Thank you very much. Classic Crypto, you deserve your hard work, James, especially after helping so many of us with your knowledge. Thank you very much, Zokak. Rallying today, SMR, BNB, FXS. Muxid and team doing amazing with MCRT. He's the CEO of MCRT. Check it out. They're just building and doing amazing. So that's my updates in the market. Again, all the links down below underneath the video. 1 is the exchanges, 2 is the courses, 3 is the Telegram. Join Bybit using this link, and I'm going to give away $1,000 in the next video. You have to have signed up with this, and I'm going to give away the code. So you go into Bybit, you put the code, and you go into the chance. Look at this little baby monkey. Which is beautiful. 16 nearing its all-time high. BNB coming close to its all-time high, which is amazing. Let's zoom out. Look at that, getting rejected. 645 was its all-time high, but volume again on BNB growing. Actually, no. All-time high on BNB was 687, so close to its all-time high with volume growing. But look at that candle. It's just like boom, straight up, which is beautiful. Now I'm just waiting again for the volume to drop off on Bitcoin, and also join us in the Telegram. There's 9,000 of you trading together. In the chat, there's 2,792 of you. 85 are online right now. MCRT not pumping. Why? The team is building amazing tech, and I'm pretty sure it's up a lot actually. In the last 7 days, up 25 or 30%, which is beautiful. Congratulations, everyone. But the team is building. Their goal is not to pump and dump some shit coin. It's like to build amazing world-changing technology. And my team is really incredible. You should check out the CEO of Bitcoin. This guy trade 1,270%, 17,000% on Wi-Fi. Wow, Rinat, 17,000% on Wi-Fi. Congratulations to you. That's amazing. Look at that, from 30 cents to $2.60, incredible, 280% on Bonk. And this is just this morning, it's just after sunrise here. This guy made $504. This is just sunrise, 599% on Sol. Congratulations, all the gurus, 221% on Bong, 348% on Bitcoin. All amazing. Thank you for watching, everyone, and make sure you subscribe here on Twitter. I give you a lot of giveaways, and in the next video I'm going to give away this $1,000, and I'm going to do it often, so make sure you sign up to Bybit to be part of those rewards. Love you all, have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.